The ever-growing infrastructure industry has led to rapid transformation of cities and rural areas. At JCB India, we realized that to build a new India, we've launched a new range of mini excavators to transform India, presenting the 51R mini excavator to build a new India. The 51R is one of the latest, strongest and highest performing mini excavators we've built. High versatility for working in confined job sites. Being a mini excavator, but mighty in terms of features like reduced tail swing, boom swing, boom offset, low noise design, new generation efficiency designed to consume less fuel, offering increased fuel efficiency with 4 different power bands. One-touch idler and auto idle are another way of reducing engine revolutions quickly. New generation control. Its dynamic engine with innovative dial-type throttle control offers both improved fuel economy and reduced noise levels, designed to meet higher power demands. The 48 horsepower engine and JCB's eco-hydraulic provide excellent digging forces and productivity. Heavy and heavy plus modes for higher productivity with optimum fuel efficiency. Designed for higher durability and reliability. Heavy-duty boom and arm, single-piece cast king post, and heavy-duty steel undercarriage are highly durable. New generation comfort, designed for operational ease of use. It has a spacious canopy and comfortable suspension seat. Low effort joysticks including dozer operation and intelligent, informative digital display. Work smarter with more control. Equipped with LiveLink, advanced telematics technology, it helps you monitor the machine 24/7. So, explore the full potential and versatility of the 51R. And let's build a new India together.